really gets to me. Because why? She has given rooms for all my haters to feed on me for the next 1 year. And she even there now. She not even tomorrow person they insult me. She not go fit challenge that person because that person go be the one with insult me for free. Without very easy. I insult your husband, you they talk. Mama never come here. You go play your own life. The person might even say, you don't feel to drag the person. The person even talk say, now you teach him how to insult your husband. If you like, go give the person to people and go play your voice natural. And this has really been something that I've battled for years. It's so painful. This is the reason why I say, okay, this time she needs to go and do cleansing. That cleansing is not an assurance that she's not going to do it again. See, pass this one. I know as I talk and people will say, why you talk like this? Yes. Because this year owner don't finish. And this year owner, now my haters, my enemies want feed on for the next 1 year. The one where they play before now they don't go play all those ones again. All those ones not old. These ones are fresh audios. It's so painful. For this simple reason, I don't want to do anything foundation. I just want to, in fact, you know it's in there. I just want to become a normal person. The money in my foundation, would have tell me say, okay, Enogie as it be now, make I transfer the money. I'm doing it right now. I can transfer all the money to another. If anybody say, okay, if I say me I give them Prince, I'll give them anything foundation. I don't want to do it again. I don't want to do this social media because it's a shame. I cannot continue to build my name on a platter of gold, and at the end of the day, something will not draw my name and go back. Do you know that there are people who even be saying, man, they look me big before some celebrity self come they look me and say, ah, can you man be with this one? Like it's this God, it's annoying. It's annoying. If any presenter now if come and say, okay, for transparency, I can transfer the 10.5 million naira. I don't want to do anything foundation. I just want to live a normal life. If not content, I say I do. So that if she saga me next year, it will be normal thing. Because it's too loud. Not right now, I pull the biggest crowd on media on TikTok. As I did, so I put the biggest crowd on TikTok. As I all day like this now. It's hot to see. Sorry, 9.7. It's hard to see, say, you don't go distance, somebody will pull you down. And the person they pull you down not be another person. It's hard. I'm not come here for sympathy or emotions. I go still become that normal Enogie. But I think me I come up for media, me I go look for my better life. Because as I did, so I'm not comfortable for this journey. I didn't make just yesterday say I dey come Spain. I never know the country where I go because the country where I go might not be something that I will say out on social media. I think I need the time for myself. I think I need to go. May I just come out because this is crazy. I swear to God. Because this one where I go, you ought to do so in the next 1 year go worst. I've been trying to be calming down because the kids are there. With or without me, the kids will leave. My father is no more, but I'm leaving today. May God not let me die today, my children will leave. So I think I should just go away from media for some time, for my mental health. I know it's pain, I know it's painful, but it's not something that I can just take. I think let me just take a break. Let me think about my life. Maybe if I come back to social media again, I'll come with something good news. Yes. I'm ashamed of myself sitting here. A man that cannot coordinate his house can never coordinate a public. Okay, waiting me now, I want to sit down the talk. I can't sit down tomorrow now. I want to talk about person matter. Wait me, my body. It's so shameful. Forget. When other people saga me, it doesn't get to me, but let's assume say my family even do clean. Let's assume say my family even do cleansing. I know maybe the enemies may be happy we talk on. Yes, you people succeed. Yes, you people have succeeded because I don't want. The truth is this. I can't face you all and continue to do what I do because the disgrace is too much. The disgrace is too much. The disgrace is too much. I don't need anybody to come and beg me. It's okay. This is just what I decided to do. I swear to God, I cannot stand this particular disgrace. I can't. The painful part is this. After this did not come off for ground, what next? In the girl in question now, no play evidence. The girl in question now, the mobilize in question now, no play evidence. She's using the one that happened before to judge this present one. That is the most painful part. I know they owe anybody money for this media. If a woman that I live with a smart together can come on social media to tell me that I should go and work, then I'm a fool to sit here all day doing things. I think that it's okay for me. I'm a very stupid person. Because now when person they quarrel with you, they will tell you the truth about your life. Say, go and walk. Not be when you are the person they like. I know it will pain a lot of people, but it's just it is what it is. I do okay, like I see some money, but sitting all day with her at home. Another thing again. That's why I just want to leave Germany. I don't put in for document not come. So let me try other places. But the country where they go, not be Spain, not be place when I'll feel talk. So they go. I just want to give myself like 6 months. Maybe I'll come back in December. I just want to live a normal life. Because if I continue like this, that's why I'll not turn 50. I can't be full at 50. Because you see this insult, it will continue as long as we both live. You not get what to change. You know, if family not fit do cleansing. The reason why I say my family do cleansing now because okay, it's not too much. Even if say family can't talk today, next year she will bring me out again. If that it don't come, she not the control herself until she do what they are meant. When that it don't enter, if you like, just the talk not it tomorrow. You get the way you take react to some certain things. At the end of the day, me wait supposed to tell you sorry, you can't tell me sorry. The issue between me and Mobilize not even get anything to do with waiting up or so because of too much of overreactions. The position full at 50. If I say if I not take a bold step as I did in my 40s, so I said before I reach 50, that's why I go just today. Every year will repeat itself. It started in the year 2022. big problem come that year. Now social media they for settle now. 2023, the same thing. Before our marriage, the same thing. Last year not too loud, this year loud again. As far this thing has started, now continue something. So without wasting much of our time, you know that money is not for it, not be me get money. So it's our money. It's your money. But if there's anyone that can come up to them and say, Enogie, see the person who transfer the money to her, make her transfer money in my entire house. I don't want to do media again for the now. No, I can't take the money. No, I'm not there yet for you to pity me, say I take the money. No. When I tell me the person I choose, we go feel so that in case of tomorrow, now go hold the person responsible. I should transfer it to SAS Diploma. Okay, no problem. If you people want me to transfer it, then people should call SAS for me. Let me transfer it. Right now, no be. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Good evening.
I've been trying to get to you, so sorry. Sorry, because I need to go out, but I'm watching you, so I just want to quickly go from here, from the WhatsApp, because I know maybe I might not be able to come off. So, about what you are just saying right now, can you hear me?
Yes.
I think it's a very good decision that you are making. For real. People might come and say, no, this, but what you just said now is the 100% true. And this time I want you to follow your heart. You people might not separate as husband and wife, but you need space. You need to go do other things. You need to go this time. You need to look out for yourself this time. So I will advise you that you should stick to the plan that you have and do it. And for the foundation, I think you should continue. But if you don't want to continue, it's still okay. Instead of sending that money to somebody, you can ask people that really need this money to come up in your platform. Maybe for business, for treatment and all that. You can help them out with that money instead of giving it to somebody else to add.
Like I know say when you go offline, like I go they come, but I go not be normal person. I'm not gonna be all this controversial person again.
And you can still continue the foundation now. You can still continue the foundation. You just know that you are based on only that foundation, like help. If people want to support, they support. But if you see that people are no longer there, hey, you can. But if people say they will still support you, I think you should just focus on that. Leave anything cyberspace or this one talk. This time around, I think you should leave them because people you were actually challenging before, Mama had already make the see you finish. So there's no way you can fight those people again.
At all. There's no way.
Be taken away from you.
I swear to God.
That's the pain that's paining everybody, including me. I'm so pained. But I think the decision you have taken is good. But you can still be doing it here.
Okay, what's it?
Yeah, Enogie.
Is it Baba? Hello.
Hello, Enogie.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, it's true what you say. You take your decision is very good. You understand me? Go and find your paper and live life. Because if you don't reach like 50 years now or 48, it's very difficult. Go and find your paper. Jamie, I'll not give you paper like this.
No. I don't say me call me for paper. Just call me for the things where they talk about. I know how to go about my papers.
Okay, for about the foundation money, keep it first. You understand me? Do your everything. Don't transfer any money to anybody account. You understand me? Just keep it and do your thing. Later you come back and do your foundation. You understand me?
Hello, so you ready? Una fuck up the time when they sign this contract. He say una go FEMA.
Go to the FEMA.
Una go
Yeah.
The Prince.
I think so.
Let's see.
Okay, I agree the hustle, I greet everybody na 002 the talk so. Enogie, you know say this morning na take did this your matter since I believe say everybody just hear wetin dey talk since morning and even when you still dey talk now, I believe say you be man, you get your own decision. But only one thing I want to beg you, before you take any decision, first settle your house first. Dey make noise. You hear me? So before you take any decision, say you dey move, you get right, or you get freedom of yourself. You can travel at any time. You get freedom to do anything you want to. But only one thing: first settle your house. Make peace dey your house. You understand? I know say wetin you dey fight for na wetin be say you go still change. No, I want the mama no still see am say all these things wey dey do so at least too much of reality dey cause many many damages. And na wetin dey give am joy.
This one don pass damages. Tomorrow she will be proud to do it more. I know the person when I deal with.
I know, okay,
person.
you now, at least you don't already see the kind of wife you marry. Nobody know her pass anybody. Now you know your woman pass everybody with the year. So you now, before you do anything, try to settle your home in peace. You understand me? So that not me say because what did she do now or this, you come to overtake reaction. You understand? Don't let anybody push you. Fine, you get your own side of reaction. Just try to settle your home.
I tell you, nobody they push me, bro. The main reason why the day we should go live, I call they drop the people because all those people they beg and say lawa etas. Now those one call who provoke me past because she's not a baby. She knows what she's doing. That's why she go live. She knows say this life where she dey go, so she want to go talk down on her husband. You don't be small picking now. She's 37, 3 years to 40.
But that your president, she still dey beg you today. That your president, you still say she dey beg you today.
Baba, Baba, I not talk say I no arrest. But you see those things wey she do, beg you not go fit solve am.
But she say she go do everything now. Everything wey you say make she do, she go do am.
Even if she do cleansing as my wife, even if she do cleansing as my wife, yes, but I did not want to be that kind of social media person there again. Now what I just keep from bro, because
okay, for the donation wey dey talk this one,
so please wait.
You dey better talk.
Wait, don't please wait. Wait, don't please wait. The truth is this, if I say okay, now let's go again. Let's start from where we stop. Next year, by this kind of time, if you not be April again, if you be May, you play again. I need everybody's this thing.
So before I come down,
Can I talk?
I quit all this one before I come down. I beg, my last suggestion I be this now. Now you dey say you know what do foundation, but not be foundation call this wahala. You understand me? So not be foundation call all this wahala. If now you're calling to help people, nobody will fit stop you. You see, so for me, when me, I get many people wey all dey my line. I like 4 people will be say their condition they critical. So if you want me to bring the comment, me you still can't help them. I feel still bring the comment, me you help them. You understand me? So their condition just dey critical. You must say anyway very one side. I say me I quit talk that one dey one side. So for you as a man, you get your own decision to decide. But only one thing, settle your ass before you come out or anything. And I agree the house what you always say.
You talk quickly.
If I know you, sir. This is Pastor Philip that is talking with you, sir. This is Pastor Philip. I want to come from another angle, sir. You see, the truth is that the enemy need to like better thing. You must understand that there are a lot of persons that their destiny is tied to your platform. There are a lot of persons that their destiny is tied to your platform, Enogie. Now, the issue of bowing down to it now, that giving up on it, something like this now, in fact, a lot of persons might not even live to see tomorrow. So sincerely, I know that a lot of persons have vowed. A lot of persons have vowed, and God will continue to frustrate them. A lot of persons have vowed to destroy your platform, to bring it to nothing, but they can't achieve it. But please, I want to, you know, once the Bible says, without the shedding of blood, there is no remission of sin. I don't know whatever that have transpired. I don't know whatever that. If it was somebody that drew my attention that Enogie is life, that I should come to that life. That I should come to that life. Enogie, please, I beg you in the name of God. I understand whatever thing you're trying to. I understand. You are one person that, in fact, the way I regard this since the time I've met you, I've never seen a man like you. Issues happens. Issues are universal. As our faces are different, so are what we are contending with is also different. Everybody have one or two things they are contending with. So what we are contending with is also different. Please, I beg you in the name of God. I beg you. Please, I want you to carefully and prayerfully observe this decision. Please, I beg you in the name of God. We are bound to make mistakes because that is blood that is flowing within us in our veins. Please, I beg you, sir. Please, I beg you, sir. And sometimes another thing I want to also try as much as possible. Please, sir, if there's any way, your home is first paramount. If you fail in your home, you cannot excel anywhere. So please, sir, I beg you in the name of God. Please, I beg you in the name of God, sir. A lot of persons are tied to your destiny. Please, sir. Please review. Please, I want you to actually do a review on this whole thing. Some persons are now rejoicing that what they planned, how they want it to happen is already taking place. Nobody will rejoice over your failure, sir. Nobody will rejoice over your failure. God will continue to take glory over you, sir. Please, sir. Please, I'm alive today. It courtesy of your platform. Do you know that 2 days before a day before I came to your platform, I attempted suicide? I will not lie to you. I'm alive today because of you. My children now, I have taken off custody of my children. We are now my children is now in Lagos. It's courtesy of you. Please, sir, reconsider this. Please, sir. I want to drop here. Please, sir. Please, prayerfully, I am praying for you. In this whole thing that had been on, I was in your live stream one day. So a young man came, it was in your comment section. The young man was saying things against your platforms. And those things are beginning to find expression. I must tell you the truth. The Bible says, Ephesians 4:27. It says, give no room to the devil. Please, sir, I beg you in the name of God. Please, sir. I beg you. I'm praying for you. Tonight, I'm going to gather the prayer team. We are going to be praying for you. Please, sir. I beg you in the name of God. Consider this. Review it. Don't use whatever anybody had to tell you. This is a destiny fulfilling for you. You are on the right track fulfilling destiny. This is what Jesus did. This is what Jesus was doing. He's 33 years on planet Earth. This is what he was doing. Please, sir, consider this thing. I beg in the name of God. Please, sir, we'll continue to pray. It's not easy, sir. Nothing good. See, waiting no good, they attack him. Waiting don't make sense to the ear. They don't attack it. Consider this thing, sir. I join everybody on this. Everybody, we have about 5,800 persons watching. I join everybody to plead with you. I understand you need to move on. I understand as a man, there are sometimes there are certain decisions a man should take. But sir, please consider this. Don't play to their hand. So that tomorrow they say, where is he now? Where is he now? Please, sir. Thank you very much, Enogie. God will bless you. I pray this voice will ring volume in your heart. God will bless you, sir. God will bless you. Thank you.
Abeg, can I talk quickly?
Yeah.
Good evening.
Hello, madam. Wait
I've
now.
been here now.
Hello. Wait. Enogie, I greet you. Hold on. What I want to tell you be say, you see this foundation where you start. I believe you had the calling in your heart before you started it. Unless maybe na person that you imitate to do it. You not do it from your mind. I not believe say something like this will make you one stop. You're not supposed to be known to be a quitter, no matter what. The road is rugged and dogged. If it's easy, everybody go to drive Ferrari, Abi. So if you expect say the position where you did, Now, so you go just the smooth. You understand? Okay, you're on the call.
Continue, bros.
Oh, okay. So as far as say not be somebody now make you start with you they do. Now something when you don't get inspiration from above. I not think say somebody go make you stop and moreover, social media is not bound to a particular location. If you decide to say okay, you want navigate your way to other areas after you don't settle your home to go do other things. It not mean say you dey carry your office na your phone you do. The only thing we go change now your background go change. You go be say not be where you sit down now, so you dey do am. So wherever you are, you can still sit down, give yourself 1 hour, do the needful. Then talking about who you want give money, you not girl you want send money give Enogie. She that day they just say for Osa's diplomat platform, now somebody come one woman wey say she get accident, but now you bring the money. So it can see also happen like that. If you now want to come out, make people come into direct. You get people who you trust. They can do the assignment. The way you still help the person there, you can still help somebody there like that. You know, girl, you want to send money, give or Enogie. And the money where they send give you for foundation, not be more say you must discard all the money at once. The money can be in the account there. When somebody that is worthy of assistance come, you help the person, you must not stay internet for hours, since probably you want to have a break. So after you don't relax, because whatever you are doing now, I think is out of annoyance. So you go still calm down, you'll see overthink and everything go flow away. You understand? What it don't happen, they don't beat you, they don't flog you, everything is normal. You're a human now. So this decision, not doing for anybody. Nobody's supposed to rejoice over any bad decision you are making. No. You dey do this thing for yourself. You dey do them. You see, as you dey help people, you see that joy way they give you, not for yourself. That joy, not be even the financial this way they come out. So you're not doing for anybody. So nobody should make you want to make such decision. Anywhere you want to go, brother, TikTok deal with you now. TikTok now worldwide. TikTok is not bound to your room there. You understand? That's what I have to say. You're not girl you want to live on for. And you're not girl you want to send money to. I try, I tell you.
Thank you,
All right,
bros.
agree the house.
I beg. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, J baby.
Good evening. My first time climbing up. Sir, you see this job, this thing they do, sir. Now work. I see no reason why people would say you are jobless. You are not jobless, so if not be paper level, you see this charity way they do so. If you register and government, you're supposed to even they get percentage from government. You are actually doing a very good job. I'm telling you. Don't give up on it, please. You don't know when your level come, go register them. You go to get percentage. I belong to a charity organization. I'm telling you, I did for UK. And would they get percentage from government, like a support? You understand me? So don't give up, please. I know everything when they go right now. I will tell you one thing, bros. You see, if you get any issue with anybody, that's the one mistake when you do. You're not supposed to bring her out. But you see this life where they say we get enemy, our enemy there outside. Your enemy not there outside. Your enemy there inside your house. Because I see no reason, no matter what man go do for this life, when in why go they swear for him with waiting, say if they pain him. Swearing for your husband not to progress. That your enemy you marry, bros. Not worry yourself. So you have to move. I'm not pushing you to move. Yeah.
Baby. I don't want you to refer to her.
Okay, sorry about that. But that swear is very, very bad. For my place, For my place. If not my place, you're not supposed to eat food.
Nature play, thank you so much for the gift.
The place that I for come, if you not lose that swear, you're not supposed to shop food where your wife cook.
No, now we did. That's why I said we should go do cleansing.
You're gonna say it be for my side. I don't know how it be for those side. For my place, you're not supposed to eat her food. You're not supposed to sleep with her so that the thing not will affect you. Because she might not mean it, so sir. She might not mean what she's saying, no. But bad people go use them. I be Africa. Bad people will use it.
And she never even returned the swear because her night she came out. So not be afternoon she will return her. But the one we should do
Imagine
today.
night. Very bad.
Wetin you use net take do na net dey take dey return am, no be you have to know. So that's why I dey look at today say don return am. And when we don do all those things, come back, then we come do this side.
Don't give up, abeg. You know, say things wey wan better na so enemy dey try to fight, abeg. This job you are doing a very good job. This is not like, oh, you are jobless, go find work. Now work you dey do. So a lot of people work from home these days. See, for my this place I dey now, every bank don close. Now ask them for the work. They press their laptop from home and they are paying them. So I don't see anything wey they do that is wrong here, sir. Please don't give up of what you're doing right now, please.
Thank you.
Please, because people are looking up to you. Okay, that's my own little contribution.
Yeah, Domo, can I say something?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
TikTok king, you know what gift me, oh, TikTok king.
If I don't gift you, Jare.
Gift me better gift.
All right, if I know wala, but after more, just my trust small opinion for this thing when happen.
I joke.
If I your wife, oh,
no,
you not get what you not get what go happen tomorrow. If you don't marry this woman, you pay in full for house, oh. You not get what you know.
Nature play. Thank you so much, Nature. Yes.
No opinion that people was gonna give right now that is gonna solve any issue. If you marry this woman, but what I want you to do for me, it's like, I don't say I don't want you to move out from that house, but at least if you can look for something a day, maybe you come out in the evening back to house, if you do your TikTok live, but make small distance, they may not be say throughout a day, say you day house or whatever. Try to be say if you get another apartment wait for the stream. You understand? But go be say you don't come up for us in the morning, it's 11 o'clock. Now you drop picking that day, you go drop picking, come back, go to your workplace, wait for the stream or anywhere, come back to us in the evening. Because once you are home all day, it becomes another thing. Women not they like, even if say you get 100 million, women not they like my way they sit down with them for the whole day because you monitor their step too. They need time for themselves.
Thank you. I want us to talk about this live stream. I don't want to talk about how to look for work. I not be small picking. And I know what thing that they do. You understand?
All right.
Yes, suggestions.
But you're not going to stop the live stream, or might just drop this one. You're not going to stop
this one. Who be this nation play? Who is this nation play? Who is this nation play?
Now these are my people. Now I send your life to them. So you're not going to stop any live stream, and that money is going to remain your account. Further notice till you start to do your charity work, because people depend on you so much. That's all that matters. And those people look up to you. So now I get to talk with that. The say.
Thank you so much.
The war, the matter, the whole one of TikTok. I greet you. I know this issue will really happen. I know say it still touch you one. But this is just the time of temptation. Temptation is bound to come and go. Nobody will not see temptation. It's just that this one can't go deep down you because it's from home. It's from inner. You understand? If outside that they do all this kind of stuff, you know what two reasons and the way you feel talking. Now because in inner, now insider, I make the thing touch you. But you know, say guy, they do your own things in a way where people, everybody like you. Don't be say maybe who not even like you, now like he still like you. It's just the things maybe not like this person, he like you. If you see the amount of people who be say they want to see you now, they will still talk about you for back. Say, this person not good, this person not good. Now you they give most of the relevance. Most of them, most of them not even feel open live video. They talk one thing. We be say, oh, person go sit down there, they listen. Without they talk about person. Even if they not even they talk, they talk normal saga or any other thing. People can just be looking at you because of the way you do your own things. The comedy aspect, the way you put people they want even they quit, they will wake up and people don't do your live video till 1 o'clock. They look the way things want to end. Husband go they call them for bed, they go they watch Enogie. You do your own in a unique way. The guy till they do your own thing. Everybody was not born to be a leader. Everybody was not born to be a leader. Some people might still try to be a leader, but you can never be a leader. Everybody has his own thing when they do for this TikTok. Some people don't feel us come TikTok, come carry this to say, you want just to talk. What do you want to talk? You don't have anything to say.
Of
If you're
course.
not gossip, if person not dey talk about very dark man, that person will not be relevant. Simply like Enogie. If people don't come they talk about Enogie, now they know they relevant. Who will be watching your live stream when you are not advising, you are not passing information, you are not being there for educational purpose. You just put there, just they talk about Enogie. This and this. These are temptation. Temptation is always bound to come. All these things go still pass. They will still pass. They will still come out. You know me say you know physically talk, but you know that they are lying again. Since when they do this foundation now, people don't they like you, people they love you. People are doing you. Things are happening that even you are used to think that I don't even expect how these things is happening, but things are just happening. I know that temptation is always bound to come, so just hold yourself. Say everything will still be okay. You understand? Not because one or two things come up, you say one lift it up. Leave am for who? You are just still doing your own things, doing your own things. So about the foundation money, keep the foundation money. Everything will settle. You bounce back. Everything will start back. That's just it. You know what I mean? Say you are not a relation. You are not based on relationship issues on TikTok. You are not based on relationship issues, marriage issues on TikTok. You can only bring issues, you analyze it. People will suggest their own opinion. They will go. Your feed on TikTok is not relationship or marriage that you say you are ashamed. I'm ashamed because one or two things happened to me. No, your feed in this TikTok is not mainly based on relationship or marriage. It's based on charity and other things, entertainment, stuff like that. You can only bring people marriages or bring people relationship. You talk about it, people will come, they will suggest their own opinion. So you can't say because I'm having issues of marriage, I can't talk issue. Your feed on that this TikTok is not like that. So it's because of this issue you don't say we have to leave TikTok. Leave TikTok for who? People like you, people love you. Now just say some of them know if you come up, God say they love you. People love you massively. You understand? All those people where they talk now, all those animals where they talk now, you just leave them. Those are irrelevant. You they give the relevancy. I see some people be on TikTok and all day you be talking about one person. You just be talking about one person. You want to gain attention. Unfortunately, that we have people in this TikTok, we have people in this abroad. Now anywhere where you push them, now they go. Now they find where problem they just see go there. Be a Enogie fans, just be a Enogie fans. If you love Enogie, stand by Enogie. Nobody know they get problem. Even these things will happen. Now most of our husband they do pass that one. They do most of our boyfriend they do pass that one. Mistake is bound to come. Temptations is bound to come. Do what you have to do. You move on. If you are sticking with Enogie, stick with Enogie. Enogie don't already get massive love. As very dark man get massive love. Enogie they give relevance for this TikTok. Normally they give relevance. It pass information. It pass what you want to hear. People love you. People are with you. Even if you still go inside anywhere where you want to go, now people will still follow you go there. So just keep on mouth. Those people are saying that this is no. Enogie is Enogie. Enogie no fit change Enogie. God already make her like that. Say Enogie, you can't compare yourself.
Wow. Thank you so
You
much.
understand? So let everybody just say Enogie will still remain like this. Everything will still pass. You will still come back again. You will still come back new. Unfortunately, that just that the thing that's doing all those, everything will still pass. Just put it at back of your mind. Everything will still come and go. That's just it. Everybody is passing challenges at any time. Now your own challenge will just still pass through this period. Some people now the whole person 5,000 to 10,000 euro, 15,000 euro where the business just happened now recently. You see the battle that one. You still get your own problem. So God guy take share this problem, give everybody. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. So problem will come and go. Problem will come and go. You still focus. Forget about those ones they talk about for social media. Those ones don't have anything. They don't pass entertainment. They don't pass comment. They don't pass anything. They don't pass advice. They are just there. How can you be talking to a person since all sort of things? So that's just the main thing. I don't want to talk too much. I think that in everything we have been saying, you just need to bounce back. So God is your strength. You understand? God will see you through all these things. So that's just what I want to say.
Thank you. The next.
Epadomo.
Don't bring
Good
any other
evening, sir.
person. Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir. First of all, I will say everyone that is coming up since when I know they talk about una self, I know they think about Enogie. First of all, Enogie not us in one lift it talk.
Hi.
He say in one rest in head.
Gift love. I'm
You
not
not
to
we talk
speak
now. Now
before.
me start to the talk.
No, it's because I have courtesy. Okay? You just quick jump. Good evening. Good evening, sir. We told you respect, sir. I feel talk waiting, I won't talk.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, I know I'm a single mother. So I was once married. So I know say I feel not get right to talk for husband and wife matter. But I feel say you sorry to say, with all due respect, You error, your wife error. But one thing, if you can't say because of the error which she make, you won't come overreact. I feel like you're not being fair. I feel like she's a woman, and you know, say we women, they act based on our emotions. See, yeah. Most of the women where they come, they talk, say, their husband, now they go do this for our place, we go. See, let me tell you, some of these women will be say some of us will be single mother. Our husband not even do half of this when we come out. Our husband not do half of them. We don't even, if we're to be some women, they go don't show away it since out put for outside since. They don't even call police safe. Let's pick the facts. They don't call, if no one calls me, Mona calls me. Some of us, we single mothers, some of us that are outside, we don't.
Go on now. May I talk finish?
Hold on. Oh, no drop, that's no drop. You come like say with the bias. Everybody have right to speak. If I not drop you get one question why I want ask. That way. Who will drop
Now, good evening.
Oh God. Who will drop good evening.
Bros, I been me they talk.
Yes,
I bet Epa not talk say you want come on for TikTok. He say you want rest in head. For me, Epa, I will say me not transfer that money. Keep the money for that account. At least give yourself for 1 month. If you can't decide, say you really don't want to do this thing again, nobody will force you because you not be baby. You understand? You not be baby when the person go force put for something. For me, I will say na anger make you say the thought say you know what do now. If you don't relax your head for 1 month, you see say this thing I want continue then you can continue. You understand? And I also beg you, no woman went too good. No woman went too good. I know tell you not say for my own marriage. I don't marry now about 7 years.
As I be so now. If me and my wife show that today, I don't marry again. And that video for the talk and so. I go out there enjoy myself, they go, but I don't marry. Anything marriage, not be now call it a relationship with woman. You can't get belly. I can start afresh. No, me not go to that kind of
Unless that, because I will say all women, all of us now almost the same. Because I know tell you say me not too good. And I will tell you want if you leave this one, the one you want jam, you don't know how it will be. You understand? I will beg you, Epa. I know say your wife, you also wrong for in your way. That ego, you not follow at all. Then insult and say you dead stupid, you're mad. That one a normal insult. That one always do. It was too much. But I will beg you, me you are beg Epa. Or if you don't do anything, you say me do. Forgive her. I beg. Nobody is too good. Nobody is too bad. I will beg you. Now just that one I get to talk. Thank you, everyone.
Let's see.
Good evening. If I know, good evening. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
What I want to say is, I believe there is no home without problems. There is no home without issues. But you know, women are going through depression, so as the same men. You know, a lot of men don't come to cry out. But the few that come to speak out their mind, people attack and all that. What you are going through, nobody understands. Only you know what you are going through. Only you know the pain and whatsoever it is that you are facing. You are the one wearing the shoes. You know how fitting it is. So if you decide to take a space and a day out, perfect. Do it. Do what's best for you, because if a man dies today, everybody will move on. Your wife will leave. The children will be fine. The family will be okay. The most important thing, you know what you want and you know where you're going. You know the things that comes first and the things that comes last. So put yourself first. You have kids, your wife is still there. I don't want to go to your marital status or anything that happens between you and your wife. But the most thing you are supposed to focus on, yourself. You come first, no matter what. You always have to put yourself first. You are married, yes. Everybody came to celebrate with you, fine. There is issue, yeah, fine. But how do you feel? Are you okay? Do you sleep well? Do you eat well? Do you breathe well? So these are the things you ask yourself. And at the end of the day, look at where you want to be tomorrow. God has made you a public figure. You will definitely go through temptations. Trials will come. But that shouldn't break you. If it breaks you, Ned Walker will not be where he is today. You might become one of the biggest or social media influencer at the end of this year or even next year. People are looking up to you. If a situation like this will break you, then people are going to say, I shouldn't try. You are someone's a prayer point. Let me use it like that. You are somebody's prayer point. You understand? So whatever it is that's going on, take a break from everything. If you want, take a break. Feel free to do that. Let nobody pressure you to do this or do that. But at the end of the day, do not give up what you are doing. That is, don't even try it. Not for anybody. Not even for your mother. Don't give up what you have started. It is you. This is your life. This is your future. And this is the Enogie that everybody knows. Nobody can take the space. This is your time. And if you don't shine well, somebody else will take it. This is your time to shine. And you are going somewhere. No matter what you are going through now, just see it as after every trials, there is a beautiful reward awaiting you. So you see this one that happened now, it has opened a lot of opportunities for you. But how you handle these situations is what will speak for you in the future. People might insult you, they will use it to laugh, yes. But at the end of the day, how you came out of it is what will speak for you in the future. So please, the best thing I can tell you is put yourself first. You know what you want. People will say document, people will say wife, your family, but you know what you want. You sitting at home, people might say you don't go to work. There are people who don't work. They earn their money on what they are doing at home. A lot of people do homeschooling. A lot of people do house jobs. Even the white people, they do home office. So the fact that you are sitting there and you are communicating with millions of people, thousands of people are watching you every day, and you bring smile to people's faces. This is what counts. The problem that comes into your life does not count. Do you understand? So please, yeah, God is your strength.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, all right, bye.
Thank you. DJ Shoka. Mojo, to not bring anybody up. I get interview for Easy Baba platform.
Good evening, everybody.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening. Big Enogie. Enogie for a reason.
Where's Easy Baba?
Domo, sir. Domo. Wait till I get to talk, me say, Enogie, I did since before I even click enter, I did watch you for FYP since. All this thing went Apple, so. All this thing went Apple. You know reason are too much. That is first of all. Who don't big. And you say you want step, you want calm down first for your foundation, you want to give yourself break. No. That's why you call yourself a maton. A maton is iron.
Yes.
You are more than them. Nothing they're going to do. That you are iron for a reason.
That's true.
Nothing can shake you. All this while we come and go. Don't give up. Because the moment you say, let me give up now, let me withdraw back, I will come back, they will start saying, we have won and we don't pursue and come on for social media. We don't talk and say we will pursue and we want to do, we must pursue and come out. If you look all of them where they do all these things, where they talk negative about you, many of them, they're not going to feel lace your shoe. In any aspect, many of them not going to feel lace your shoe. In terms of anything, it's also the saga. When it comes to say they bring matter, come your panel, make you judge. The way you handle everything, you handle it with maturity. Now that thing they give many of their sleepless nights, where be say men, that they find your downfall well. And believe you me, any one of them cannot. Any one of them cannot lace your shoe in terms of everything. If you see VDM, what if VDM they do on a daily basis, you'll see people they verse on VDM. Why they verse on them? They don't feel be like them. They don't feel do what they do. That integrity not there with them. They just hate her for nothing. Just because he's good at what he's doing. That's what many of them are doing to you. If you ask them, what make you not like Enogie now? Nothing. No good reason. You will ask them the reason and no reason. They just do it because of hatred, because they don't like you. So if you give up now and say, let me go and relax, I don't want to do this one, I don't want to hurt people, it feels like they are on top. Like they want to, they are, okay, we don't win. Now we talk and say we go bring them down. Not give them that chance, no level that they're all, yeah. Level that they're all, yeah. Not just mind it, do what you continue to do.
Thank you.
Anyone where just still talking, or just still they collect in a way. People will still like you, will still talk down on the back.
Exactly.
That is how it is. You give yourself a marathon and for a reason. And don't wear a raga will be Ugama also.
Okay.
So that is just I want to contribute, sir. So don't give up. Do what you know how to do best. If the last one that I will say, Enogie, the last one I will talk now, I will just happy if you do it. Not follow that they do the saga where they do again. You don't big pass all those things. Just come, do your contribution. You want play game, you want catch from, you are allowed to do all those things. But saga, not do saga again. Anybody, you person they talk to a person, you not good respond, you go rest now.
Of course.
You go rest. So just leave yourself. You don't pick past all of them. You come meet them now where you live there yesterday.
That's truth. Now we are live there. They can't even go low past the way they be before.
You say and so pass. So just suffer, just leave them. Not do the saga again. Don't follow that they talk. No argue. Anything una talk and una women that they go. I don't get una time now. Where they go now me.
All right.
That is all I have to say, sir.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir.
Yes.